Are you tired of pouring your heart into YouTube and seeing little to no returns? You're not alone. Many creators, including myself, hit a wall when it comes to monetizing their passion. Making money on YouTube quickly is possible, and I'm not just talking about a few extra bucks on the side. I'm talking about rapid success, where you can literally watch your bank account grow in just a few short months. And the best part? It's not just for the lucky few, it's achievable for anyone who's willing to put in the work and learn the right strategies. Join me in this journey and we can grow together on YouTube. When it comes to monetizing their content, new creators often face a daunting uphill battle. The competition is fierce, and it can be tough to get your videos seen by a sizable audience. Not to mention, it's hard to stand out in a crowded niche. Many creators get discouraged when they don't see immediate results, and they end up throwing in the towel before they've even given themselves a chance to succeed. Another challenge new creators face is the algorithm. It seems like every time you figure it out, YouTube goes and changes it again. It's like trying to hit a moving target, and it can be super frustrating. And let's not forget about the sheer amount of time and effort it takes to create high-quality content. It's hard to balance the creative side of things with the business side, and many creators struggle to find that balance. But despite all these challenges, it's not impossible to make money on YouTube quickly. In fact, there are many creators out there who are doing it every day. So, what's the secret to their success? When it comes to making money on YouTube fast, niche selection is key. You need to find a niche that's profitable, but not so competitive that you can't stand out. You also need to create content that resonates with your audience, and that's not always easy. But, when you get it right, the results can be incredible. Another strategy is to leverage trends and popular topics. This can help you get more views and attract new subscribers, which can lead to more money in your pocket. Another strategy is to focus on evergreen content. This is content that remains relevant and valuable over time, even as trends change. It's like planting a tree that will continue to bear fruit for years to come. And, let's not forget about the power of consistency. When you consistently upload high-quality content, you build trust with your audience and increase the chances of them taking action on your affiliate links or buying your products. One of the most effective strategies I've seen is to focus on solving a specific problem for your audience. When you can provide real value and help people overcome a challenge, they're much more likely to become loyal fans and customers. And, when you combine this with the right monetization strategies, you can start making money on YouTube fast. I've seen creators do this in as little as 30 days, and it's truly amazing to see. I want to share a real-life example of someone who made money on YouTube quickly. Let's call her Sarah. Sarah created a channel focused on vegan cooking, and she was determined to make it a success. She created high-quality content, engaged with her audience, and leveraged trends to get more views. Within 60 days, she was making over $1,000 a month from her channel. And, it wasn't just from ads, it was from affiliate marketing, sponsorships, and selling her own products. The key to Sarah's success was her focus on providing value to her audience. She wasn't just trying to make a quick buck, she was genuinely trying to help people live a healthier lifestyle. And, because of that, her audience loved her and were happy to support her. This is the kind of success that's possible when you focus on the right strategies and put in the work. In conclusion, making money on YouTube quickly is possible, but it requires the right strategies and a willingness to put in the work. By focusing on niche selection, content creation, leveraging trends, and providing value to your audience, you can start making money on YouTube fast. Just remember to stay consistent, be creative, and always keep your audience in mind. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this video helpful. If you're new here, consider subscribing for more tips and tricks on making money on YouTube. And, if you have any questions or success stories you'd like to share, please leave them in the comments below. Don't forget to hit that like button if you enjoyed this video, and I'll see you in the next one.